If you are planning to raise rabbits and you want to learn how to do it easily and quickly, then check this How to Raise Rabbits guide. In this step-by-step guide, you will be able to get the following benefits: familiarized with rabbits' scientific classification, characteristics, physical structure, and even their lifestyle. Discover suitable places for rabbits and how to properly feed these bunnies. Learn how to identify the rabbit's gender. Get important techniques in buying rabbits at pet stores. Learn how to take care of the bunnies. Be aware of rabbits' diseases and how to prevent them. Learn how to maintain rabbits' surrounding an environment to keep them comfortable. Be guided in breeding rabbits. Discover and learn how to create different hutches for rabbits. Learn what foods are appropriate for your bunnies, and much more. Click Buy Now to get it now.